Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most convenient payment solutions out there, PayPal Pay in 4. If you're looking for a way to shop smarter and split your payments, you're in the right place, so let's get started. So what exactly is PayPal Pay in 4? Well, it's a fantastic feature that allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal, interest-free payments. Yep, you heard that right, no added interest. It's all about making your shopping experience more flexible and budget-friendly. The process is super simple. When you're ready to make a purchase online, choose PayPal as your payment method. If you're eligible for Pay in 4, you'll see the option during the checkout process. Once you select Pay in 4, the total amount will be divided into 4 equal payments. The first payment is due at the time of purchase, and then the other 3 payments will be automatically deducted from your account every 2 weeks. Easy peasy. Now you might be wondering, am I eligible for PayPal Pay in 4? Well, most PayPal users in eligible countries can enjoy this fantastic feature. However, eligibility might depend on factors such as your account history and creditworthiness. Also, there are some limits to keep in mind. Usually, PayPal Pay in 4 is available for purchases between a minimum and maximum amount. These limits may vary, but it's usually quite generous, making it suitable for various shopping needs. There are some amazing benefits of using PayPal Pay in 4. First and foremost, the interest-free aspect is a massive win. Say goodbye to added costs or hidden fees. You'll only pay the exact purchase amount spread out over 4 payments. Another advantage is the convenience factor. It's perfect for those items when you really want the new gadget, fashion item, or piece of furniture, but don't want to pay it all up front. PayPal Pay in 4 lets you have it now and pay it off over time. Now, some of you might be wondering about security. Well, fear not. PayPal is known for its robust security measures, ensuring that your transactions are safe and protected. Additionally, PayPal offers its renowned buyer protection, even with Pay in 4, so you can shop with confidence, knowing that your purchases are covered in case of any issues. And there you have it, PayPal Pay in 4, the ultimate payment solution for flexible and convenient shopping. Splitting your payments, enjoying interest-free purchases, and having that extra peace of mind, it's a total win-win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more fantastic content. Thanks for tuning in and happy shopping with PayPal Pay in 4. See you next time.